How to escape an active shooter situation. As a former Green Beret and current student, that question will come up quite a bit. There are 3 principles to remember: run, hide, and fight. Now, a mistake people will make is to begin to follow people who begin to run indiscriminately. In large buildings with many hallways, it can be extremely difficult to understand where the firing is coming from. And that is why, unfortunately, you hear stories about people who actually run towards the gunman. So instead of running off into the unknown, take a second to utilize all of your senses to determine how far away the attacker is. And if they are far, you will want to run away. And if they are near, you will utilize hiding and or fighting. Now, whether you've chosen to run or stay, you're going to want to stay off the walls. It's not in every case, but in some situation, bullets could actually travel along the walls. When you make it outside, if you're with a large group of people, do your best to disperse and run as fast as you can to some type of cover and concealment. Cover is anything that could hide you. Concealment is something that could stop rounds, like a large tree. Now, if you're by yourself and you're running away from the building, you want to do so in a zigzag motion as fast as you can, also to cover and concealment. If you decided your best option is either to stay and hide or fight, you could take several large books, place them in a bag, and almost use it as armor. That will have limitations of certain rounds, which I'll discuss in another video. Take everything and anything you can to barricade the door, even if you can't completely block it. These situations on average last 10 to 15 minutes, meaning every minute we could delay entry into the room increases our survivability. If the individual is able to breach the room, assign clear roles to everyone. You are going to throw things at them. You are going to go for the knees. I'm going to grab the weapon. For the person who's attempting to grab the weapon, don't try to pull it away. Grab it and fall to the ground. Once a threat is detained or neutralized, separate yourself from the weapon and make sure your hands are visible to the police.